The sky. Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to CNR private English classes. What do we have today? Definite article, the. Okay, here we have a very common word, the. The is a definite article. We call it definite because we use the to talk about a particular thing or things. So could be singular or plural. You can say the marker, or you can say the markers, singular or plural. The point is that it is specific. It is something specific or specific things. I'm talking about the marker, the red marker, this marker, because it is specific. It's not about a random marker. I'm talking about the marker. I can say, the cell phone. Hey, where is the cell phone? The cell phone is on the table because it's specific. So the is when you want to talk about specific things, specific that you have in mind. For example, the bus is late. The bus, the bus is late. So you are here waiting for your bus to go to work, and you are, oh man, the bus is late. The bus is late because it is a specific bus that you are waiting for. So the bus is late. Could be also for plural. The two dresses are beautiful. There are two dresses, I don't know, red and yellow. A red dress and a yellow dress. You can say, wow, the two dresses are beautiful because you are specific about the dresses. The two dresses, not other dresses in the store. You are talking about these two dresses. Okay, so the two dresses are beautiful. You can make a question too. You are hungry and you bought food, and then you're, hey, wait a minute. Where is the food? Where is the food? The specific food, the food that you know that is in the house. Where is the food? I don't see the food. And the answer could be the food is on the table. Look, the food is on the table. Because yes, there is a lot of food in your neighbor's house, in another country, in another city, in the supermarket, but you are thinking about your food. So where is the food? The food is on the table. Okay. The egg, remember egg, delicious, that you fry. The egg broke. The egg broke. I'm not talking about the eggs that are in the supermarket. I'm talking about a specific egg that is here in my house. So the egg broke. So I'm not talking about eggs in the supermarket, eggs around the world. I'm talking about the specific ones, or the specific one in my house. The egg broke. The apples are next to the avocado. The apples that you eat are next to the avocado. So the apples are next to the avocado. Oh, yes, over there. Specific. Talking about maybe you noticed that I pronounced here the egg and I said here the food. It is because this word has two pronunciations. One is the, and the other pronunciation is the. Remember the th, th. Here, the, two pronunciations. Number one, the, and the number two, the. So, you're gonna say the, that is the symbol for this pronunciation, when the is before a consonant. For example, you have book. Book has a consonant, letter B over here. So, for that reason, you're gonna say the book. The book. The other pronunciation, E, the, before a vowel. In this case, you see apple, letter A is a vowel. Letter A is a vowel. Letter E is a vowel. Letter I is a vowel. O, vowel, U, vowel. So, in this case, the apple here. The end, the end. So, consonant, the, the car, the book. Car has a consonant. The apple, because it has a vowel. The apple, the end. Notice also over here, the bus, consonant. The two, the two. Where is the food? The food is on the table. On the, because it's a consonant. On the table. Here we have egg. Egg is a vowel, so you're gonna say E. The egg broke. The apples are next to the avocado. So, in conclusion, we have the definite article the. We use it when we want to be specific about something or things in plural. You need to know that it has two pronunciations. Remember that two pronunciations. It can be the or it can be the. If the word begins with a consonant like book, car, table, food, you're gonna say the car, the food, the marker, the whiteboard, the problem, etc. If the word begins with a vowel, you're gonna use the pronunciation E, the apple, the end, the egg, the ocean, the avocado, the eraser, etc. Okay, so it is what it is. So what's the plan that you have for today? What's today's plan? What's the problem that you have? The or the, remember. Have a good rest of the day or a good night, a good whatever, and see you next time. Remember to follow me and subscribe. CNR private English classes. Okay. Tutti 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 tutti.